Hey, travel enthusiasts! Today, I'm going to reveal something that's going to make your wanderlust-filled heart skip a beat. Sustainable travel isn't just good for the planet, it's actually cheaper than you think. Stick around, because I'm about to show you how you can globetrot on a budget while leaving a lighter footprint on Mother Earth. First off, let's talk about accommodation. Choosing eco-friendly stays like hostels, homestays or eco-lodges can save you a ton. They often cost less than big hotel chains because they focus on minimizing waste and using local resources. Plus, many of them offer volunteer opportunities in exchange for room and board. Imagine waking up in a beautiful place and knowing you're helping the community. How cool is that? Now, on to transportation. Sustainable travel often means using public transport, biking, or even walking. These options aren't just greener, they're way cheaper than renting a car or flying. For instance, trains and buses not only cost less, but also give you a more scenic and local experience. And don't forget about ride-sharing apps. They're a great way to meet fellow travelers and share costs. Next, let's dive into food. Eating local and seasonal dishes not only supports the local economy, but it's also lighter on your wallet. Street food and local markets are gold mines for budget-friendly, delicious meals. Plus, avoiding imported goods reduces your carbon footprint. Win-win, right? Activities and tours are another big one. Look for eco-friendly tours that emphasize conservation and community involvement. These experiences are often more affordable because they're run by locals who know the area well. Plus, they give you an authentic taste of the place you're visiting. Free activities like hiking, beach cleanups, or visiting public parks can be just as fulfilling and cost-effective. And here's a bonus: tip travel off-season. It's not only cheaper, but it's also more sustainable, as it helps reduce over-tourism and its impact on local environments. So, there you have it. Sustainable travel doesn't have to break the bank. In fact, by making eco-conscious choices, you'll often find yourself saving money while having richer, more meaningful travel experiences. Ready to pack your bags and see the world differently? If you found this helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more travel tips. Safe travels, everyone.